G'day beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Candice from Lovewrapped and today I'm going to be bringing you a tutorial that I've been promising for ages. I'm so sorry. It's on lacquer strip application. So these are lacquer strips. They don't smell. They're made from lacquer. They have no heating time and they're fantastic. You just peel and go. They're like a peel and stick on kind of mani. A full mani will take you 10 to 15 minutes, including your nail prep. So they are really amazing. I don't use them so much. I prefer my wraps. I prefer the wear time of my wraps, and they go better with the makeup, the composition of my nails. But a lot of my VIPs, a lot of my customers absolutely love them. So I wanted to bring you an application video to show you what you do with them. So these are lacquer strips and this is how they come. So if you want to see this video, how to apply them and stuff, please stick around. I'm also popping this video up because I'm so excited. Christmas lacquer strips are dropping very, very soon on the website, like tomorrow. I will pop all the details in the descriptions, but if you want Christmas lacquer strips, these are going to sell out crazy quick. I don't know what the designs are yet, but if you don't have a jam consultant, head to my Facebook VIP page. I will pop the link down below. So pop over there and ask to join, and I will have previews of what they're going to look like. I will pop the details of what time they're all dropping onto the website. But last time for Halloween, some of those lacquer strips sold out in 30 minutes after the launch. So if you want them, I'm Christmas obsessed. So if you want them, please get in early. Most of them won't last 24 hours on the website. So don't miss out if you do want them. They are available on buy 3, get 1 free, blah, 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 blah. But I wanted to show you guys how to apply lacquer strips because they're fantastic. Also, these ones, Fifth Avenue, I absolutely love these ones. These are amazing for New Year's Eve. So there's heaps and heaps of options between wraps and lacquer strips and gel strips. So be sure to sing out if you have any questions. There is a discount code and my link in the comments below, but they won't launch until tomorrow. Right, that's it. So if you want to see lacquer strip application, I am applying little lies. These are called little lies. I will be applying these ones today. So if you want to see that, please stick around. Okay, so lacquer strips come in a pack like this, and you're going to get 2 strips of your lacquer strips that look like this, and each one is designed to go on each of your nail sizes. So there's 10 here and you're going to get 2 strips of them. Pick that up. You're going to get 2 strips of them. So there's plenty to do a full mani with this, or you can use 1 strip for 2 fingers and get 2 full manis out of that. That's up to you. I don't do lacquer strips very often, so if I am going to do lacquer strips, I'm doing lacquer strips for a super fast, easy mani. So I'm just going to use 1 strip per finger, but I am going to show you today how you use 1 strip for 2 fingers. That way it's up to you what you decide. It's a little bit more fiddly doing it that way, but it's totally up to you. If you want to get the most out of your packs, then that works out absolutely fine. You can do that. Now the texture is slightly different to wraps. They are, of course, a lacquer, so they're made out of lacquer, so they can chip in the long run, but they do feel slightly different from wraps, so they will apply slightly different, but they're pretty simple. They're pretty simple application, right? Now, so nail prep, you want to shape your nails the way you want, pop back your cuticles. I have another video on that one, so I'm not going to spend too much time on that. It does come with a little alcohol swab in here. You do just want to swab your nails. Going backwards, I always do this the wrong way, going backwards to keep your cuticles back. Okay, now I'm going to pop you down so I can show you what we're doing. Okay, beautiful. Okay, so we're ready to go. So I'm going to start with my pinky. And I'm going to grab the smallest one because one, it's the smallest one, and two, I know that that fits my nail perfectly. Now you're going to pull off this little cover backing thing. Oh, it's not a cover backing, it's a backing, cover, sorry. And then you're going to run your finger underneath and there's this little silver tab and you want to pop that off. Okay, and now only holding, trying not to touch the back of the strip, you just want to place it down on your nail. Now this is probably the trickiest part, finding that position and placing it down. And once it's in position, I find that this one pretty much fits my nail reasonably well. If it's a little bit big, which this one is, you can either use an orange stick and push it into the corner, which is what the instructions say, but I prefer to grab my little cuticle nippers, which are in the deluxe nail kit, and just go along and trim off the tiny little bits of excess. I just find it's heaps cleaner. I've got a whole bunch of stuff stuck under there, and then I'm just gonna cut this bit off. So this is where we're using one strip for two. Okay, so I'll go back and finish that one off in just a second, but when you're using one strip for two, you do it like this. So you cut it in half and then you grab your little orange stick and you pick it at the end. And then there's like a little tear here. Just be really gentle with that. You don't want to be super rough. Sorry, I'm getting rid of the excess because it's sticky. And then we just want to place it down on your nail like so and push it from the base to the tip. And then we're going to grab off this excess. I really love this design, by the way. It's absolutely so cute. So cute. Oh gosh, look at me with my hands all in the way. It's better than the top of my head. I actually thought I was going to be getting the top of my head in here. It's just an awkward angle. Okay, you'll probably be able to see it on this side. I'm just running the little nippers underneath. And then we just want to take it through here, push it all the way with lots and lots of pressure. And then the same on this side. There we go. Apply. And that's all they need, guys. So see? Beautiful. There we go. And now I'm going to move on to the next finger. So this one here, I'm just going to use one strip for one finger. Oops. And it's good to have a little play and grab, like, try the different sizes and figure out which one best sizes up on which finger, because not all of our nails are the same size, and the other end, the end with the little tear part, is actually slightly wider, so that might help you. I think I'm going to use this for my pointer. You can't really get it wrong, like, it's totally okay if you grab the wrong one. So I'm just going to grab that one there. Actually no, that's the wrong size. Let's go back to our little ring finger. Can you hear my daughter in the background? I told her I was doing a video and to be really, really quiet, and she's playing a game. And there we go. And I can totally hear everything that she is doing. So I'm hoping I don't have to. And then I'm just going to snip that off. Now, if you want to use two, then you'd use the other end of that. But I'm not going to, because I just want to do a fast mani. So now I'm going to do all these in silence, and then you're going to be able to see. Okay, so that's them all on. Now you can go along, because these aren't like wraps, you can go along and file them off as you go. You probably saw that I was getting them kind of stuck on things. I'm not used to using lacquer strips that much because I do prefer wraps. They work better for my hands and for my nails. Sorry, I'm wiggling around. But you can go back and you can file them as you go if you want. I'm just so used to it. But as you can see, so this is using one wrap or one strip per nail. I still have a bunch of extras, so it definitely gives you a lot of variety to use, say, the different design if it's a multi-design one. So now I'm just going to go and give them all a really, really good push down. This is to make sure that everything is attached. Your little purple pusher is great for that, just to make sure that there's no little peeling at the end, or lifting at the end. Okay, so once we've done that, you can either use a regular nail file. What is recommended is our beautiful glass nail file. It's amazing. It's a lot more gentle on the strips, and it just does a great job. So you're just going in a downward motion, and these come off so much easier than wraps. And you're just filing back that excess. Now the glass nail file, just like with wraps, it helps them bond a lot firmer. It does that science thing that I don't understand. And there we go. You're just filing off that excess like so. Nice and easy. There we go. All done. So you want to be really gentle when you are filing these back. They are lacquer. They're a lot drier than your wraps and stuff like that. So they can, over time, they can chip. So you're not going to be using your glass nail file to clean up this mani. You are just going to let it be. So I hope that was super, super helpful for you today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. I would love to see you back. I have heaps more to show you. And thanks for stopping by. Bye.